Hello everybody. So this is gonna be my second try. I have recorded previously, but it looks like the microphone is off. I have the ability to turn it off right here. As you can see on top, it says microphone permission. I can do many things since I use Android. So let's not get distracted. Today's video is about Facebook specifically. If the data is being stored in a cloud-based server, that's a whole different issue of security risk, right? So right now we're just only focusing on the app. So what is this app doing to my phone? What type of permission is it asking? One thing I'm going to tell you is I've been using Facebook for a few days now. It does drain a lot of battery. Like even though I'm an Android user, I can force stop this application from running in the background. We're gonna see the permission. It's crazy stuff, right? I mean, not that crazy. I have reviewed some other apps. You can go check out the other videos. But let's just get into it, okay? So this is a app that many people use. I think it's older than me, so keep that into consideration. They should have some improvement, but they have gotten some, what is it called? They have gotten some freedom. They know that, hey, if I do this and do this and pay the government, they're not gonna limit me from accessing user data, right? So first things first, we have access media location. That's okay. When you take a photo like a big bridge, right, a beautiful bridge, it's gonna, like, your phone is gonna automatically save location where you took it, including your phone, like, device information. So Facebook has access to that location. It does. So that's not a red flag. That's okay. It just has the ability to do that. Personally, I think that's bad, but since it's such a big media, a lot of people use it. That's okay. Read visual selected data. So I don't know what this means, because, like, it could be used in terms of, like, security check, right? It could say, hey, if you have something going on with, like, minors, or if you have something going on with violence, it can check that and it can flag it using, like, AI system, right? But if it's just reading your file and all that, that's okay. That's okay. So both ways is okay. So that's not a red flag. That's okay. Read media, video, you need that. Images, that's okay. This is for advertisement. That's okay. Bluetooth admin. I don't see why you would need Bluetooth for it. That's a red flag, because that doesn't make any sense. If you're gonna share a file, you have the ability to share a file, I think, directly in messages, which is Messenger, not Facebook. Get that right. Messenger is a whole different application. I might make a video on that. I might not, but stay tuned to that. Call phone. I don't know why this is here. Without intervention, this was okay. Let me see. Melissa's okay. So I don't know. This means it can basically make phone calls in the background, and it can also direct calls. Like if you're calling your friend, that call can go to Facebook. I think Facebook has the ability to make call independently, right? If we talk about app itself, this app itself, it doesn't have the ability to call. It really doesn't. The app that has the ability to call is Messenger, right? It's like a they work with each other. So if you're gonna make call with your friends, it's gonna launch Messenger in your phone, then you make call. So I don't know why Facebook needs to call. So that's a red flag. Request ignore battery optimization. That's okay. This is okay. I mean, it's heavy, right? Heavy. It's constantly scanning your face if you're using iPhone. It's constantly listening using microphone and all that. So this is okay. Many people, many modern apps use this, right? So that's okay. Course location service with the app is used. Okay, so I don't like this. When I'm using Facebook, it's gonna say, hey, this person is using it from this location. So based on that, it's gonna give you, like, advertisement. It's gonna give you videos from locally. I don't like that. You lose control over it. If you wanna be anonymous and you send some messages, they're gonna know. So that's a red flag. I don't like that. Wake up lock, that's okay. Vibration, that's okay. Read context, I don't know. This is not good. This is not good, because Facebook can look at your phone, read context, and just say, hey, are you interested in this person because this person is in context, right? It's good in a way, but I don't like that. I don't want anybody else to figure out what I'm using, what I'm doing, what type of accounts I have, what type of content I'm making. I don't like that, right? So this is a red flag. I would say this for everybody in terms of security. If someone is living nearby, if someone is accidentally added to your contacts, they're gonna be able to tell, hey, this is his account, this person, this and that, and it can get messy, right? Right context, nope, that's not good. Um, yeah, so they can be saved in your contacts. No, that's not good. Get account. I don't like this either. It has access to all your account on your phone. That's not good. I don't like it. Manage account is okay because once you log in, it can manage account. That's okay. Authentication account, that's okay. Read sync settings. For account, for example, this can determine whether people app is synced with the account. I don't know what this means. I'm just gonna let that be. Right. That's okay. Access file location. So this is the same thing as this one. This one is just like a overall, like, hey, if you're in Toronto, right, or if you're in Ohio, it's gonna show all of Ohio. It's gonna say, hey, this person's Ohio. We don't know where it is exactly. It's gonna go based on this, and then if it needs a precise location, it's gonna say access file location. It's gonna know exactly if you're saying, hey, I'm in 212 Ohio, blah 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 blah, right? It's gonna be able to tell. I don't like that. Privacy risk, I don't like that. Access network status, fine. Broadcast sticky, I don't know. App can send sticker broadcast, which remains after. Um, I don't know. I mean, why? I don't know. Why would you do that? I feel like this has to do with some other like phone nearby that connects to it, saying, "Hey, this person watched this video in this location. Let's say let's just say person A watched a video on alligators, right? And it might send this broadcast saying, hey, another person who walks by, they're gonna be like, hey, are you interested in this alligator video, right? So I don't know. I mean, yeah, this is weird. I don't like it. No me gusta. So this is a red flag. Process access, Orca servers. I don't know what these are. I feel like these are related to servers. Twilight provider. Okay, so this is just a bunch of providers that they worked with. I mean, this is a not the best because this is like a backdoor basically. So if they were to get hacked, Facebook information will be leaked, which might have your personal information. Not guaranteed, but the app is not gonna work without this, right? Unprotected API access. I don't know what this means. Download without notification. Okay, so this is, I guess, not bad. I mean, in terms of app itself, if you're gonna run something in the background, it's gonna download in your phone. But then for me, I'm gonna mark as a red flag because I don't like it when app does something related to storage. So if you have something, if your storage is full and you don't know what's going on, this might be the reason where like it's gonna download it, but it's not gonna uninstall, right? Camera, that's okay. Camera is okay. NFC is okay. Post notification okay. Record audio. So this is the issue right here, right? On also this one right here. It says using this app can take pictures and record videos while using using the app, right? That's okay. I mean, you can record and audio and all that. That's okay. But then record audio, like when app is in use. So this can be a red flag. They say, I'm going to give this a 50-50 because you don't know when it's listening to you and when it's not listening to you. If I'm going to send message, but then I forgot something. I have to remember this is not Messenger. Messenger has its own set of criteria, right? Messages and videos and all that. So I don't know why you would need audio unless you're actually making video for Facebook. So this is a 50-50, right? I'm going based on, I'm just countering myself here. Don't mind me, right? External storage, that's okay. Permission, API communication, I don't know what this is. Read phone number, I don't like that, no. Read phone status, this is gonna get your phone number and device ID and all that. I don't like that. Red flag. Read basic phone status, that's okay. It's just gonna say, hey, what type of phone you have. Read calendar, don't like that. Write calendar, don't like that. Modify audio settings, don't like that. Read profile, don't like that. Change network settings, that's okay. Change that. Yeah, that's okay, but not really. It's same thing, 50-50, because if you're using a different app and Facebook is running in the background, it can disconnect and connect back without you knowing. So you might be like, hey, what's going on here? You're not gonna really know because it's running in the background, right? So I'm gonna mark that as a red flag. You know what? Let's just, it's pretty secure, pretty unsecure. App can appear on top, that's okay. Read GS service. App can read Google service config data. That's okay. That's okay. That's also okay. This allow app to discover information which application I used on the device. So that's actually, this is not okay because it can basically has access to other app too. Let's say if we were to add like a task, like for example, clock. Hey, I want to wake up at 6 o'clock. Like ring at 6 o'clock. Facebook is gonna be able to pick that up, right? That's a task. Bluetooth Connect, don't know why you would need that. Bluetooth, I don't know why you would need that. There's multiple. Look how much we have to go through. But these are app activities. So look at this, all this information. I don't know why you would need all that. I just saw something. These are advertisement, but look at all this permission, right? That's terrifying based on what you are doing. The app doesn't need to be this complicated. You know, if you're running based on servers, if you're running based on externally, then I don't know why you would need all this information. Let's just keep looking at it. Broadcast manager, I don't know. I think that has to do with something like a sticky broadcast that we saw earlier. Receiver permission, that's okay. That's okay. This is what I mean by cloud-based server. Foreground service media playback. I think this is just, I have done my research. This is what this is like if you want to play some audio, it just runs in the background. Like you can still listen to audio even though you're leaving. I don't know if this is good, but for the app, I'll just leave it. So if you're gonna log in, this is okay. Biometrics and fingerprint, run user initiative jobs, that's okay. Foreground service data sync, that's okay. Unreal badge, that's okay. These are okay. Read settings, that's okay too. Let me see. Manage own calls, don't like this one because you can route calls to Facebook. That's not good. Install shortcuts, that's okay. That's okay. Record task, so you can run in the background. This may be without your input. That's not good. It can basically, perform task in the background. Like it can drain a lot of battery. I don't like that. That's not good. Foreground service microphone. This is definitely not good because when the app is closed, it's gonna use your microphone and listen to you. Foreground service, same thing. It's gonna use in the background. It might be recording me right now. It might be listening to me right now. We don't know. Foreground service projection. Don't know what this is. Yep, phone call in the background. Nope. Capture video output. That's okay. That's okay. Battery status. That's okay. That's okay. Read call logs. That's not okay. Phone call. That's not okay. Detect screen recording. So you'll be able to tell when you're recording screen capture. Foreground service connected devices. That's not good. Like whatever device I'm connected to, Facebook is gonna know that. Foreground service. That's okay. Allow provider. Other than that, everything is good. I mean, except the fact that we have all this information right here. I don't know what they do. I really don't know what they do. So I'm just gonna let that be. Video is gonna be extremely long. It's already almost 20 minutes long. So I'm just gonna let that be. Other than that, let's just count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have 27 red flags in this app itself. So I'm going to give this app, in terms of spyware, I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. That's not good. So keep a lookout. Guys, be better safe than sorry, right? So if you have something going on in your phone, please, 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 better be safe. Download what you think is safe. Just do your some research in the background. And then one thing I don't say to a lot of people is use Android. Gives you a lot of freedom, right? Use a fast Android. Some people have like slow Android and they complain. If you have like a good Android device like Samsung, like a good quality Samsung device, it's pretty fast. It's good, and you can modify. There's so much to learn. There's so much to modify. So much to learn. You can download APK files. You can modify. For example, I can go to Facebook. Let's say right here, I can go to patches and I can go to resign signature. I can change the application name to some whatever I want. I can say something like hi, and then I can resign it and then download the application, and then it's gonna be named hi. I can also change the logo, right? I can modify. I can do whatever I want, right, for the app. So it gets to give you that much freedom. But in terms of iPhone, they don't have a lot of freedom. So it just the app can get away with whatever they want. They can basically spy on you all day, all night, right? You wouldn't know. You could be doing something. It looks good. Don't get me wrong. iPhone looks good. It's smooth and all that, but it's not the secure. It's not the secure thing ever. I also Android is not the secure thing ever because nothing is secure, right? If people want to steal your data, they're gonna do it, right? For now, I have like all this app right here, right? These are all system app and all the app that I've also installed. Those are inactive, but they could be listening to me right now in the background. I wouldn't know. I could have like 50 different apps listening to me in the background. I wouldn't know. But I do have an app that can tell me which apps are running in the background, which apps are using like location, which apps are using microphone. I can also turn the microphone off so they don't hear me, right? So I have that much security in Android. iPhone doesn't have this feature. It really doesn't. I've used iPhone for many years and I like it, but I also don't like it. So I don't know waste your time, you guys' time. Thank you for watching and you enjoy your day. Be safe.